Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into Terra Classic, the LUNC coin, and there's a lot happening right now that's got the entire crypto community watching closely. LUNC has been showing signs of life again with the community burn efforts heating up, some key network upgrades rolling out, and traders starting to talk about whether this old giant can ever make a comeback. So let's break it all down. Over the past few weeks, Terra Classic's price has been hovering around that $0.006 zone. Not huge movement, but what's interesting is the renewed activity behind the scenes. The Terra Classic community just rolled out the version 3.5.0 upgrade, which brought back the market module. That means liquidity between LUNC and USTC is flowing again, which is a big step toward reviving the on-chain economy that collapsed back in 2022. Plus, exchange burns have been continuing. Binance and a few other platforms are contributing by burning millions of tokens every month, cutting down on that massive circulating supply that's still sitting in the trillions. But here's where it gets interesting. Community sentiment is starting to shift. After months of decline, there's a growing belief that LUNC might actually survive as a community-driven chain. Developers have been talking about adding new dApps and trying to attract builders back to the ecosystem. The partnership side is quiet but steady, and that's what's giving holders a bit of hope that maybe, just maybe, Terra Classic isn't finished yet. Now, everyone's asking the same question. Can LUNC ever hit $119 again? Let's be real. That's a dream that's almost impossible under the current setup. The circulating supply is in the trillions, and for it to reach $119, the total market cap would have to be larger than all global assets combined. That's not just unrealistic. It's mathematically impossible unless there's a total token burn of more than 99.9999% of supply or a complete redenomination. Still, that doesn't mean there's no potential. If the burn keeps going strong, the liquidity improves, and the network keeps building, we could see a major short-term rally in the next bull run. Price targets between $0.00015 and $0.00030 are reasonable, and if momentum really builds, maybe even a push towards $0.001 over time. The bottom line is that Terra Classic is fighting for redemption. The team and community are rebuilding, exchanges are still supporting the burns, and if the crypto market heats up again, LUNC could easily be one of those comeback stories that surprises everyone. But $119? That was the past life. This version of Terra Classic is all about slow burns, small wins, and a long-term recovery path. Still, for traders looking for volatility and narrative, LUNC remains one of the most talked about community coins in the market.